What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. Today we are gonna talk about these Leion Hey2 AR Glasses by LLVision. At IFA Berlin, I was walking through the halls when a booth caught my attention. Leion, showcasing their AR smart glasses. Curiosity pulled me in, and after trying them out and chatting with the team, I was convinced this was something special. So I brought one back. I have used it, I have tested it, and I think it's the correct time to do a review, to do an honest review. Well, before I start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Also, please don't forget to hype this video. Let's start with the design and comfort. At just 49 grams, the Hey2 feels almost weightless on the face. The hinge adjusts easily to different shapes, and the finish with a matte sandblasted frame for balance. The lenses are only 0.4mm thick, thinner than a bank card, yet highly transparent. Anti-glare coating reduces rainbow patterns by up to 98%, keeping visuals clean whether indoors or outdoors. It's a lightweight build that never feels overbearing, even for long sessions. Moving from design to display, the simplified optical engine embeds the projector directly into the glasses, projecting captions 2 to 3 meters ahead. This placement keeps conversations natural without breaking eye contact. The system fine-tunes the viewing distance for comfortable reading without strain. Subtle but powerful, it enhances communication without pulling attention away. The result feels less like tech in the way and more like support in the moment. Now let's talk about translation. Leion Hey2 AR Glasses support more than 100 languages and accents with accuracy up to 98%. Latency is under 500 milliseconds, so subtitles appear almost instantly. 4 spatial microphones combine with neural network noise reduction to block background noise in airports or conferences. A voice separation algorithm distinguishes multiple speakers, so group conversations remain clear, whether in meeting, lectures, or ordering food abroad. The Leion Hey2 makes cross-language interaction seamless and natural. It removes the awkward pause of pulling out a phone mid-conversation. Alongside translation, audio and interaction stand out. The Hey2 integrates a 360-degree spatial sound system, capturing voices accurately from all directions, even when the human voice is 6 decibels lower than the ambient noise. A speech prompt mode lets us preload a script and speak directly with subtitles floating ahead. Yeah, you got it right. Right now I'm using that speech prompt mode. It's a great feature. Well, it's practical for presentations, keeping eyes forward instead of on paper. Okay, combined with voice commands, the experience feels smooth, responsive, and professional, especially when switching between casual talk and structured communication. To see how everything connects, let's look at the application. The companion application supports bilingual chat, instant translation, live captions, and the teleprompter that simplifies presentations. All functions sync seamlessly with the glasses for a connected feel. The AR glasses also support Hey Agent AI, a built-in assistant that responds to voice, checks schedules, sets reminders, and even summarizes conferences in multiple languages. Isn't it cool? Kudos to Leion. Of course, all this depends on power, and it comes with a very nice charging case. The Hey2 carries a 245 mAh polymer battery, good for 6 to 8 hours of use. The 3200 mAh charging box recharges them more than 12 times. This cycle removes battery anxiety, making the Hey2 reliable for long days of conferences, travel, or meetings abroad.
We're running out of options.
To wrap it up, the Leion Hey2 AR Smart Glasses deliver a rare balance: lightweight comfort, advanced translation, and all-day practicality. If breaking barriers in conversations sounds valuable, the Hey2 is worth considering. Well, I've left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this Leion Hey2 AR Smart Glasses. Well, as usual, I don't believe in affiliation. I have nothing to do with this brand, so the link in the description box isn't an affiliate link. If you want to buy it, you can buy it from anywhere. I'm here to share my honest opinion, and I am truly in love with these Leion Hey2 AR Smart Glasses. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, also don't forget to hype this video.
Where do you turn when you need someone?